Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. So, as a mother of two daughters, once I was done with one bedroom, I was immediately put to work in the other. In today's video, I'll just be sharing with you an update on my daughter's bedroom. It's not yet done, it's still work in progress. Here's a clip from the previous video. Here's her high gloss white closet. We still need to put in the handles and I think 2 doors over there. And it's still wrapped in the see-through wrapping. I'm just waiting for it to be 100% done so that it doesn't get dirty. And I trust that this is more than enough closet space to last the next 10 to 20 years. As you guys know, I like to keep everything light and airy, but I did want to introduce some color here and there, so you'll see pops of purple here and there. We're loving the jacarandas. I do need to hang that up as soon as possible. And guys, all I can say is that the butterfly got me a lot of love. She's really happy about that. So guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next update. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. And please give me a thumbs up. Bye for now. Take care.